Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review for Resolve Spot and Stain. It's a carpet cleaner for newer looking carpets. So if you want some more information, just be sure to check the video description for more of that. So I've gone through so many different carpet cleaners because I do have a cat and I have a baby. I have an 18-month-old. So the cat gives me more stains than the baby does, but you know, the baby spits up and I have a white carpet, as you could see. Oh my goodness, if you guys ever have kids or pets, please do not have a white carpet. It wasn't my choice. It was the choice of the person who lived here before me to get this, and I should have changed it. Anyway, I'm constantly cleaning the carpet. So I picked Resolve because it's like a well-known brand, and I have a stain because it's sweet potato. I don't know how it I just sprayed it a little bit to let it sit because I'm going to show you guys how to clean it. I don't know how this escaped my son's mouth, but it did. He was done eating and then I guess he spit up a little bit of it. So Resolve Spot and Stain, it's a 30-second action. It's a carpet cleaner. So it's the #1 carpet cleaning brand, permanently removes the toughest and set-in stains. Very simple, how to use: open, remove dirt, spray, and blot. So I actually removed the extra dirt that was there. It was a little bit of a sweet potato. And then I just got out as much as I could with the regular paper towel. And now I'm going to be letting this sit for a little bit and then I'm going to wipe it. So it says it removes tomato sauce, salad dressing, dirty motor oil, vegetable oil, makeup, red wine, food grease, pet stains, coffee, mud, dirt, cola, tea, grass, fruit juice, and more. So this is definitely one of those pet stains, and then I would call it a food stain too from my child. So it's super easy to do, to use. So before cleaning, test a hidden section of the carpet for color fastness, which I've done, and I have a white carpet and have had no issues with that. Directions for use: spray with Resolve, wait 5 minutes, blot or rub gently with a clean, damp, color fast cloth or sponge. Rinse sponge or cloth and repeat as necessary. So unless it's a white sponge, I really don't use it because I'm always afraid that this color of the sponge will come out on this carpet because it is white. But of course, you guys could use a sponge, white one. I don't recommend using the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I have used that in the past, and it kind of just falls apart while you're cleaning. So yeah, I just want to make sure you guys are using a sponge or a cloth. I'm using a cloth-like paper towel to clean this, but a cloth or sponge works best. So it tells you for best results, treat stains immediately, which I'm doing. This just happened about 10 minutes ago. Set-in stains can be more difficult to remove. That is extremely true. If last portion of product is difficult to dispense, turn trigger 180 degrees or face the opposite direction. Note that certain stains may be permanent discoloration even after cleaning, which I do have some of that, unfortunately. So basically, I have a white carpet. So I honestly, every 6 months, have to have someone professional come in here and clean them, and not just Stanley Steamer. I have an actual restorative person come in here and clean. I have pretty good carpets. They've been around for 10 years according to the previous homeowner, and they've lasted me a good amount of time thanks to this. So even though I have them cleaned every 6 months, of course there's things that happen on a weekly basis that I have to clean. I wouldn't say daily, but definitely weekly. So I use this every week, and this is great for using in between. Now, if you have a darker color carpet, I don't think you'd have to get them cleaned every 6 months, especially if you don't have children or pets and you keep them clean. That's just for, this is what I have to personally do. I have to use it more often, but definitely in between getting those carpets professionally cleaned, Resolve Spot and Stain is great. So this was my review for the Resolve Spot and Stain, and I know it has not been quite 5 minutes, but I do have a hot cloth here, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of try to get the stain up. This should come up because I'm treating it right away. I probably went a little heavier on the remover than I should have, but as you can see, it foams up quickly. Yeah, I didn't need this much for the small little spot stain, but that's okay. It's going to dry. And luckily I have a white carpet and this is white, so you won't even be able to see it once it's dried. I would give it a few hours to fully dry. So, and then I always just wipe it this way in the direction of the carpet. So luckily this wasn't a bad one. I just want you guys to see though how to use it. And like I said, I've gone through so many carpet cleaners, but this one works really well. So this is the Resolve Spot and Stain. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks guys, and have an awesome day.